हम लोग के सबसे पहले मांग है पुल और रोड।
I'm standing on the bank of Morhar river. Across this river are 3 villages which is a home for more than 8,000 people. And for the past 77 years, these villagers, viewers, are waiting for just one thing, and that is bridge. In every elections, netas, politicians, MLAs, MPs promise them that they will construct a bridge that can connect the one end to another. But seems like the promises are all drowning in the river behind me. And that's why these villagers have taken a decision this time that pul nahi to vote nahi. Let's have a look at how do they struggle on a day-to-day basis in these villages just because of a bridge not being constructed. They call it the river of helplessness. For nearly 8 months every year, these villages are completely cut off. No bridge, no road, no access to schools, hospitals, or even markets. For generations, villagers have been demanding just one thing: a bridge over the Morhar. For 77 years, people here have been waiting for a bridge. When the river swells in monsoon, these are the scenes. Men, women, even children crossing dangerous waters to reach hospitals, schools, or just to buy groceries. कैसे क्रॉस करते हैं आप इस रिवर को? हमेशा जब बारिश आती है तब कितनी बड़ी समस्या हो जाती है?
हम लोग तो इतना समस्या होता है सर कि ये तो हम लोग बता सकते हैं। 4 महीना बिल्कुल इस नदी से हम लोग वंचित हो जाते हैं।
शिकायत की आपने कभी?
बहुत बार हम लोग शिकायत किए हैं कि यहाँ जब बरसात आ जाती है तो हर बार 2-4 लेडीज का जान चली जाती है।
हम लोग के सबसे पहले मांग है पुल और रोड के। हम लोग की नदी बना जाए।
जब तक रोड और पुल यहाँ बनेगा नहीं तब तक हम लोग का कोई यहाँ बहिष्कार नहीं रहना ही फायदा है।
पुल अगर बन गया तो पुल बन जाए से यहाँ के आदमी जी खा ले।
Villagers say even former Chief Minister Jitaram Manjhi had promised to build the bridge. Tenders, they say, have been passed, but everything remains on paper. For Sunil Vishwakarma of Patra village, the bridge could have meant life. He died on the riverbank waiting for help that never came. His family says he couldn't reach the hospital in time because there was no way to cross the river.
पुल रहा था तो कोई प्राण नहीं जाता उनका। पुल के खादन यही हो गया, कोई चीज नहीं है ना हुआ, दम जाते जाते वो काम हो गया।
तो आप ले कैसे जाते हैं? जैसे कोई मरीज बीमार है तो कैसे ले जाते हैं?
वही नदी पाँव से पार होते हैं
और ये
खटिए पे ले जाते हैं मरीज को। एम्बुलेंस नहीं थी, हमारी गाड़ी अपने से बुक किए थे, प्राइवेट गाड़ी थी। नदी किनारे उस पार लगी थी।
हॉस्पिटल कितनी दूर है?
हॉस्पिटल वही करीब गया जाना था।
Radha Devi's husband too lost his life. She struggles to speak, saying she has 3 daughters and nowhere to go. Women here say they have been the backbone of Bihar's elections, but in their own villages, they live cut off from basic health care. Pregnant women often die on the way to hospitals 30 kilometers away across the river.
देखिए सब कोई डालेंगे नहीं तो नहीं डालेंगे।
हम लोग नहीं डालेंगे तो नहीं
डालेंगे। काहे से डालेंगे?
कुछ भी पता चल जाएगा ना कि पुल बनेगा तो हम लोग देंगे, नहीं पुल के सुविधा होगा तो नहीं देंगे।
अच्छा, पुल नहीं बनेगा तो नहीं डालेंगे?
नहीं डालेंगे।
सारे महिलाओं ने ठान लिया।
जब तक इसका लिखित देंगे तभी
पूरा गांव मिलकर ठान लिया। नहीं, जब तक पुल नहीं बनाएंगे हम लोग वोट देने नहीं जाएंगे।
ना दीदी, बहुत दिक्कत है, जंगल तरफ से भी दिक्कत है, नदी से भी दिक्कत है, इसीलिए नहीं हम लोग।
पुल नहीं तो वोट नहीं।
Children unable to go to school, farmers unable to sell their produce, families carrying the sick across chest-deep water. In the election season of promises and manifestos, here the only manifesto is survival. Big promises are made by all the political parties during and before elections. Loud talks by all of them when it comes to development. But when we talk about this particular village, Patra, in Imamganj constituency, the talks of development are nowhere heard. The development is not even seen. And for the people of this village, the basic parameter of development is just construction of a crossover bridge from one end of the river to the another, so that their survival could be less challenging. They have to face day-to-day challenges. People are losing their lives, and falling sick for them is nothing but just a deathbed, because they don't have any facility for the treatment as well. That's all from our ground report from Imamganj. With video journalist Shehboob, this is Tejshree for NDTV.